The birth of the flag. May 18, 1804, Arcahaie, Haiti. One of the most important moments in world history. Jean-Jacques Dessalines, the founder of our independence, took the French flag and removed the white from it. Why? Because Haiti was rejecting slavery, colonialism, and oppression. Then, Catherine Flon sewed together the blue and the red, and the Haitian flag was born. But it was never about the fabric. It was about identity. It was about dignity. It was about unity. And it was about sovereignty. The blue and red represented Haitian uniting despite their differences to fight for freedom. And to this day, one of the most powerful phrases written on our flag remains: L'union fait la force, which means unity makes strength. Not division, not jealousy, not hatred, but unity. That principle right there helped enslaved people defeat one of the greatest military powers in the world. And let us never forget, Haiti became the first black republic in the world. The first successful slave revolution in human history, a symbol of freedom for oppressed people everywhere. And here's another phrase that connects Haitian spirit wherever they are in the world. Liberté, égalité et fraternité, which means liberty, equality, and brotherhood. Those ideals inspired revolutions around the world, but Haiti lived them through sacrifice. The Haitian Revolution proved something very, very powerful. Impossible things can happen when people unite with courage. So wear the flag proudly, honor history, teach the next generation, love your culture, support your people, build something meaningful. And as we're getting ready to represent our country in the World Cup, let us go with pride. Let us remind the world how great of a nation we are. Let us remind the world that we are champions. Let us remind the world that Haiti still matters. Happy Haitian Flag.